welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sign up for Line application. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic. First of all, install the Line application. If you already have the application, tap open the application. Then you can see at the bottom login sign up option. Tap on sign up option, and first of all here you have to enter your mobile number and choose your location from here. After entering your region and phone number, after that you will get the option where you have to get and fill in the PIN that you receive in your number. Then you have to enter your name for your account. So enter your name here and tap on the next button. After that, you have to create a password and re-enter it for confirmation over here. And once you have confirmed your password, and now you will be successfully logged into your Line app account, and you can start surfing and connect with your people and friends here. In this way, you can sign up for Line application. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.